Yoga has so many benefits to the body. Chances are you have already tried it and have discovered some of its perks. In today's video, we will show you 8 amazing things that will happen to your body if you do yoga every day. Number 1. Improve flexibility and mobility. You don't have to be super flexible to practice yoga. The beauty of yoga is that it can be practiced at all levels of ability. A few minutes a day practicing poses like the warrior will soon make you feel the difference in your flexibility, whether you are pretty bendy already or not. Now, before moving to the next one, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications of our new video uploads. Number 2. Build strength. When thinking of improving your fitness, most of us think of huffing and puffing away at the gym. But weights are not the only way to work out. Daily yoga practice will help stretch and tone your body muscles. Popular poses like the plank simultaneously work on strengthening your arms, legs, shoulders, and abs. Number 3. Correct posture. Daily yoga helps improve your posture, making you walk taller and sit up straighter at your desk. Aches and pains caused by incorrect body posture, such as back pain, can also be alleviated. Number 4. Weight loss. You don't have to practice hot yoga or be able to bend double in a yoga pose to lose weight. An everyday gentle yoga practice will fuel the metabolic system and will help fat burn, leading to weight loss. Daily yoga can also help restore the hormonal balance in your body, which can normalize your body weight. Number 5. Cultivate self-awareness. Levels of cortisol, the hormone that is released in response to stress, will be lowered, leading to less overeating. Daily yoga also strengthens the overall mind-body connection and helps you deal more effectively with unpleasant emotions rather than reaching for food to suppress those feelings. Number 6. Reduce stress. Many workplaces now offer lunchtime yoga session because it's been shown that yoga is an amazing stress buster. And yoga practice, even a short daily one, should be made of 3 elements: poses, breathing, and meditation. Studies have shown that those people who regularly practice all 3 elements are better able to regulate their heart rate variability. This generally means that their heart rate is lower, giving body the ability to respond to stress in a more flexible way. Number 7. Sleep better. Are you coping with so much stress that it's keeping you awake at night? Studies have shown that practicing daily yoga can reduce insomnia. When experiencing insomnia, practice relaxing postures, such as forward fold or lying on your back with your feet up the wall. Number 8. Support your immune system. Yoga helps lower the levels of stress hormones in your body and calms the nervous system. A recent study revealed that regular practice decreases chronic inflammation in the body by lowering the level of pro-inflammatory markers such as cytokines. So, we end up here today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Have you ever tried yoga before? Do you prefer yoga? Leave a comment below and let us know. Do like and share this video with your friends on social media for more such amazing things. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and finally, thanks for watching.